our priority should be the poor and the homeless. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium, saan nila dadalhin yung poor? So I'm telling the secretary what is our experience in Las
sabay na trabahuin ito with government funds, prioritizing housing for the poor.
Yung nakatira doon sa lupa, natatayuan nila ng condominium. Saan dadalhin yung mahihirap na cannot afford the condominium?
Sabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy. So sinusubukan po ng department mag-innovate sa mga programa.
$4,000 a month.
Hindi daw po, Mr. President, but I'll get the updated figure on that.
Yun ang pinopromote nila, 4,000 a month.
2,600 a month, so not 4,000 pesos.
Do you think the poor can afford 2,600 a month when they're earning only below 500 a day? I just want the DSUD to reconsider their condominium concept for the poor. Kasi parang hindi kaya ng mga mahihirap.
Hindi sila beneficiary.
That is what will happen. Oh. Whereas if yung lupa dinivide sa kanila, 500 a month lang.
So it's
Hindi
in
nga nila
obedience pa rin.
ma-afford
That's where this comes in, Mr. President.
Hindi nila ma-afford
Yun
That's
yung,
the problem.
Mr. President, kung naalala po ng Good Gentlewoman, last year, sinimula na programa na sinusuportahan natin tulad ng CMP.
They're promoting that and I don't think that's practical.
That's
why I'm questioning you para mag-isip kayo uli kung tama yung ginagawa nyo kasi nakalagay sa mandate nyo to help the poor and the homeless. Why not distribute the land under the community mortgage program na 500 a month lang ang ano nila? But ayaw nyo nun. Hindi sila magigibado sa land where they are staying now and they're willing to pay for the land. Gagamitin mo sa condominium kung yung land lang na murang-mura hindi mo magawa. Anong model yun sa condominium?
Ang priority po ng DSUD kasi hindi yung lupa lang. Gusto ng secretary ay pag bumili ng lupa, magtatayo din po ng bahay na may government guarantee.
Condominium kung kanila. Kaso kukunin nila yung lupa ng mga informal settler. Tatayuan nila ng condominium. Where will the informal settler go?
Pero
they cannot afford the condominium. Paaalisin nila doon? Saan nila dadalhin?
Hindi po particular sa Las Piñas. So, paano po natin tutugunan yung problema?
They cannot afford the condominium. I'm telling you. We have seen it.
Actually,
Their homes are 4 stories. Kasi dahan-dahan nila 30 years. Dahan-dahan nilang binild.
Precisely, Mr. President. Yes, Mr. President. Yung sinasabi po ng gentlewoman, yun po yung pinupuntahan ko. Consistent dun sa mid-rise na condominium na sinasabi na I hear the good gentlewoman, Mr. President.
They only paid 500 pesos for the land.